Sabaidi, hello everybody. I hope you are doing well at home. Yes, today we are going to go to Unit 9. Now, Unit 9 is where we stopped in my classes before the lockdown. Yes, we stopped here before the lockdown. However, I will teach this unit once again. Yes, I will teach it again. Now, let's take a look at the vocabulary. So to do that, please take out your student book, yes, and open it on page 113, okay? Page 113. Let's take a look at our vocabulary. Okay, taking a look at the vocabulary. Okay, now we've done this in class before, but we'll do it again. And again, I want you to please rewind and rewatch the video if you struggle with the pronunciation, okay? So let's take a look at the first word. Ivory, horn, habitat, net, endangered, hunter, disappear, decline, decade, accidentally, rare, extinct, destroy, tusk, critically, estimate, decoration, disappointed. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the translations. You can take a screenshot. Right, let's move on to number 3. Some pre-reading, some discussion. Yes, story time. Let's go and have a look. Okay, number 3, our pre-reading. Now, some of these questions we already talked about in the classroom. So I want you to write down what you learned before, okay? We are going to go do this unit step by step. First, what wild animals are there in Laos? And do you know what they are called in English? Right, so first thing is, what type of animals can we find in Laos? Now, everybody in class had to find an animal online that has a habitat in Laos. So you have done this before. Well, if you did your homework, right? However, some of the animals you can find in Laos are deer, birds, insects, snakes. Okay, those are the types of animals. So, for question 1, you can write what types of animals: snakes, birds, insects, mammals. Do you know what they are called in English? Yes, now this is where you write the name. So, an example of a mammal would be an elephant. Yes, in Laos you have the Asian elephant. Okay, a snake. The name is a cobra, for example. Yes, you can find the banded cobra and the East Asian brown cobra here in Laos. Okay, now the next question is a little more difficult. Why do some people hunt them? Why do some people hunt animals? Well, we talked about this. Some people hunt animals for sport. Some people hunt them to eat. And then some people hunt them for making money. Yes. So let's give an example of the first one. A sport in South Africa and a sport in America is duck hunting. They hunt ducks. The more ducks you kill and the bigger they are, the more heavier they are, the closer you are to winning. Now, the next example, of course, is to eat. Now, this one is similar to something that I did in the past. Yes, I hunted animals in South Africa to eat them, yes. But I never hunted an endangered species. No, never. I believe we should preserve endangered species and not eat or hunt them. Okay, now let's take a look at hunting for money. Yes, why do people hunt for money? Well, an elephant's tusks or teeth, like you will see in human, tusks are made of ivory, and that is worth a lot of money. So you get people who kill the animal just to cut off the tusk, not to eat the animal. This is very bad and very bad for the environment. So you shouldn't kill just for money. No. Okay, let's take a look at the last question. Have you ever eaten wild animals? Okay, so what they mean by wild animals is animals that are not grown or bred on farms. So chickens, cows, pigs, even some fish are not wild animals. They are grown and bred on farms for eating. So wild animals in this case, they are talking about animals you can find outside running freely. Yes, being free. So yes, I have eaten many wild animals. I had snakes, deer, giraffe. I even ate a lot of insects. Yes, insects are also wild animals. So here at Laos, we eat insects for a snack, right? So worms are also as wild animals. So this is a list that you can write down. What type of wild animals have you eaten? Okay. All right, let's take a look at number 4. Okay, let's take a look and read number 4. Read and answer the questions below. Endangered animals. All over the world, many beautiful and unusual animals have become extinct, and many more of them are in danger of becoming extinct for a variety of reasons. One endangered animal is the elephant. Hunters kill elephants for their ivory tusks. Ivory is used to make decorations and jewelry. Tigers are also in danger of becoming extinct. In 1998, it was estimated that there were only about 2,000 tigers left in the wild. Hunters kill them for their fur and their bones. The rhinoceros is one of the rarest animals in the world. Rhinoceros horns and tiger bones are used in traditional Chinese medicine and can be sold for very high prices. Another animal in danger is the panda. It is only found in China and it eats a special kind of bamboo. When forests are cut down, the pandas have nowhere to live and their natural food source is destroyed. Whales are hunted for both meat and oil. In some parts of the world, Japan for example, people pay a lot of money for whale meat. Dolphins are mainly found in the sea, and some kinds of dolphins are in danger of extinction. The main reason is that dolphins get caught accidentally in fishing nets which are used to catch tuna and other fish. In Laos, deer, pheasant and wild peacock are becoming endangered. These animals have been traditionally hunted for centuries with no problems. But now their numbers are declining. The animals are hunted for their meat, which is popular in Laos. Some restaurants around the country even specialize in serving meat from wild animals. In the south of Laos, there is a rare kind of freshwater dolphin called the paka. It is already almost extinct. There are only a few hundred left. Their natural habitat, the Mekong River, has become polluted and overfishing has reduced their food supply. The paka may disappear forever over the next few decades. At present, all of these animals are endangered and some of them will definitely become extinct in the near future. What will we say to our children when they ask why there are no tigers left in the world? Or why ivory was so important that we killed all the elephants? Okay, now that we've read the article, let's answer these questions. All right. Question number 1. Why are tigers valuable? Please check and re-watch the passage. All the answers are in there. So please try and answer the questions as we are going. Or you can re-watch the video and get the answers in the text. All right, number 2. Why is the panda in danger of extinction? Yes. Number 3. What is the main danger for sea dolphins? Number 4. Give 2. Not seasons. No. Reasons. Please take that S and change it to an R. Okay? Change it to an R. So reasons, not seasons. Okay? Next one. Give 2 reasons why the paka may disappear soon. Number 5. What is the most valuable part of the rhinoceros? And of course, why? Next one is, and the last one, why are wild animals hunted in Laos? Okay, please pause the video and answer those questions for me, and then we'll come back and go through the answers. Now, the answers will look similar to this. Now, remember, everybody write their own answer, but it should follow my example. Okay, number 1, why are tigers valuable? Well, tiger bones are used as traditional medicine by the Chinese. Number 2, why is the panda in danger of extinction? Well, the panda is endangered because of deforestation. Yes. What is the main danger for sea dolphins? Number 3, what is the main danger for sea dolphins? Getting caught in fishing nets meant for tuna and other fish. Okay, give 2 reasons why the paka may disappear soon. Number 4, give 2 reasons why the paka may disappear soon. Well, it is because of the pollution of the Mekong and overfishing. 2 reasons. Pollution and overfishing. Right, number 5. What is the most valuable part of the rhinoceros and why? Well, this one we actually watched a video, if you can remember. The horn of the rhino is actually the most valuable part of the rhino. So the horn, and it is used as an aphrodisiac. We already discussed this in class. And of course, medicine, right? So that is why it is so valuable. Okay, and number 6, why are wild animals hunted in Laos? Well, wild animals in Laos are mostly hunted for food, right? In Laos, we mostly hunt the animals for food. Very good. Now it's time to go to number 5. So number 5, yes. Read the text in exercise 4 again and arrange the pictures in the correct order. First, what I want you to do is write the name of the animals, right? And then you number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the correct order they come in the passage. Okay, just to make sure, because not all of your notebooks are clear, I will go through the animals quickly. First we have a rhinoceros, then the paka or dolphin, then we have the tiger, then we have a pheasant, an elephant, a deer, a whale, a peacock, and of course a panda. So now what you do is you read exercise 4 again, or you can even listen to me reading it. And if you hear the animal's name, you just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all in order. So you can have a name of the animal like panda and number 5, for example. Okay, now let's move on to number 7. Okay, now let's do number 7. Number 7 is a listening test, right? A listening activity. So I want you to please copy down the sentences if you don't have your book with you. But if you have a book, you can just write there in the spaces, okay? All right, let's get started. Threatened species are the species which have been marked by the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List as likely to become extinct. Endangered is the second most severe conservation status for animal populations in the IUCN's list after critically endangered. Now you can listen to that as many times as you'd like. You can write down the words, and once you are finished, you will send it to me. Okay, let's take a look at number 8. Okay, number 8. Read and complete these sentences using the information from the text in exercise 4. Yes, that's right. Reread exercise 4 or listen to exercise 4 and fill in these sentences. Let's read the sentences together. In 1998, it was estimated that there were only about tigers left in the wild. Number 2, rhinoceros horns and tiger bones are used in Chinese medicine. That's right. Number 3, in Laos, deer, pheasant, and wild peacock are becoming. Number 4, the paka may forever over the next. And number 5, ivory is used to make and what and what. Okay, these are very easy and very simple questions. So I am not going to help you. I want you to do this and send me a picture of it. Okay? So let's go over what you need to send me at the end of this video. Okay, let's go over what you need to send me for this lesson. First thing, we have to do activity 3, answer the questions. Then activity 4, answer questions 1 to 6. Activity 5, the animal names and arrange according to the text. Activity 7 is the listening test. And activity 8 is to complete the sentence. Right. Once you are finished, I want you to take pictures and send it to our WhatsApp group. Okay? Send it and post it in the WhatsApp group. Remember to add your name. Okay? Doesn't help me. I just get pictures. I need a name with that too. Okay, everybody. Have a fantastic day. I hope to see you at school soon. However, stay home, stay safe, wear that mask, and have a fantastic day. Goodbye.